Something going on at the Naval Air Station. Actually, it's the amphibious base here where the SEAL team trains. It looks like a major fire, but it could be just a, you know, part of an exercise. But usually the exercises are done on the other side. This looks like it's right here where the officers' quarters are. My God, it's coming out directly out of some building. That does not look like no control. No. Oh yeah, it's a shipper. I gotta get over there to find out what it is. We got a little boat on fire right here. I can hear fire coming. Oh, that's PD. Some fool done lit the boat on fire. And it's burning the deck too. Walkway, gang. How beautiful that is. To the contrast that this is. It's not on the base at all. It's on one of our landing docks here, right by the recreation center, swimming pool. There's a little boat landing. You can move out of the way, fool. Look at that. Better get out of here. Look at that. I heard some kind of explosion just then. You can hear it crackling. It was very close to the landing little dock there. I wonder if that's caught fire. PD. Fire department just arriving on the scene. It's almost burned out. You hear that? That woman said there may be lots of fuel on that boat, so people should back off. Not get so close to it. Completely engulfed in flames, almost burned out.
Hi folks, just back as far as you can because there's about 80 gallons of fuel on board.
Officer just said there's 80 gallons of fuel on that boat, so it'd be wise to get away, including those boats, if they knew. $80 gallons of fuel. If that goes up, it'll create a hell of a bang. That's the first thing. And then there'll be a concussion, more than likely. Amazing that it hasn't gone off yet though, isn't it? Look at that, baby. Hey, hey, son. Get back. There's a lot of gasoline on the ship and they might blow up. There's some brave firemen going near that because of the amount of fuel, 80 gallons. That's a bomb, baby. That's not. So these guys putting their lives in danger just even going near it. That's far enough, lads. Don't go any further. Turn that high-powered hose on and see if we can get it out. Look at that. Doesn't seem like it's enough. Oh, they're pushing it away. Pushing it out to sea. It's unmoored. It's floating away. Oh my gosh. Wow. Gotta get a rope and tie that. That is awful close, man. With 80 gallons of fuel on there, those guys are brave men. You need a gaff. Pulling it in by hand. Got a rope. The rope is burned, so he couldn't get the rope up. And they can't spray any more water on because it's pushing the boat out into the bay. What we need is a swashbuckling pirate to dive off these galleons, swim over there, tie a rope around it, and float it down to my mother-in-law's house and leave it there,
like the
burning.
Universal Studios.
Yeah. Have a barbecue. You know, there's 80 gallons of fuel on that ship.
Yeah, 80 gallons.
Those guys are very brave to be standing even close to it. Okay, the boys done roped it. And don't pull it too close.
There's still flames. Yeah, let's not.
There you go, tie her off while they.
It looks bigger.
Let's go, lads.
There! Yay!
Stubborn little fire, isn't it?
Fire,
Still floating away. Look at that. Still wants to float away.
fire. There's still fire.
Alright, they got it.
That's so dangerous.
Well, if they're close, I guess we can get closer. Fire's out. Amazing that fuel did not go off. Amazing inferno. Looks like it burned the hell out of the gangway too. Oh, it's still not out. It's going up now.
Wait till you get that hose line deployed.
Still not out. I thought it was out. Stubborn little bugger. I will. Look, look at this keeps floating away. And it's still burning. Dragging it up here now. The two hoses going. Dragging it where it should have been, right onto the bank there. Up a little bit. Oh, look at that. Still burning. That's the fuel burning now. That's what it is. That's the fuel. That's the fuel going up. Can't put it out. Small explosive above it. Boom. Take out all the oxygen. This looks to be just a little boat fire. When you've got 80 gallons of fuel and it's burning and the water won't put it out. It actually makes it spread. Yes, sir.
80 gallons of fuel on their side. Hang under a tree or something.
Thanks,
You know,
buddy.
It blows up. It's going to come down on your head.
Officer just came up and told me again, 80 gallons of fuel and back off, get away, all of you, and including me. He said you better get under the tree and it could go off. This one, it looks like it's going out. It ignites again. The people are backing off now because that's the fuel burning, and that could explode.
Told you guys I won't start backing up because there's a lot of fuel on board this thing. So if it's going to start going this way,
Officer's moving everybody back again because it's going. Oh my God!
have something over your
It's
head.
igniting the. It's igniting the water now. Oh my goodness me! You can feel the heat. unbelievable blistering heat. And holy, look at that. Unreal.
Yeah. Folks, we're going to go ahead and start pushing people back again, okay? Let's go ahead and start backing up. Because the air is going to start getting real bad here, so start backing up, please. Thank you.
That's the other thing. It's the air. If you got kids, you shouldn't be here. If you're old like me, you shouldn't be here. If you've got a heart condition, get your ass away from it. Look at that.
Thank you. Start sinking and then it gets on the top of the water and it'll light the top of the water.
And the water's on fire too.
They just filled up, so there's a lot of fuel.
Look at that. What about that? Wow. It's raging now. Oops. Looks like they're getting it down. Black smoke's gone. Yeah. There's the chemical.
Yeah. That's
Oh yeah,
that's
yeah.
how
See
you,
the foam thing. The
foam. They found the foam.
Yeah. It's all over the water. See the water though? The water's on fire. Smile. So it's the foam. Yeah.
Get no swimming.
Not for a while. Smell it?
Yeah.
Wow. Fortunately, it didn't. Smoke didn't come along here. You can smell the gasoline though. Awful stench. And salt water igniting too. The water was on fire. And they finally got it down. That's good, huh? Well, there you have it. This is my report and I'm sticking to it. Somebody's lost their boat. Hope they have insurance. Someone's going to have to buy a new boat ramp, a new boat, or whatever. One last look. There it is. It was an interesting Saturday morning wake up.